Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saroz, and today I will talk about why we struggle to speak English. Let me ask you one honest question. Have you been learning English for a long time and still feel nervous and stuck when you try to speak? You can understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, you hesitate. If yes, then trust me, you are not alone. I feel same sometimes. In my case, I can understand English very well. I can read articles, watch videos, and even understand conversation. But when I try to speak, I start thinking too much. I think, what if I make mistakes? What if my grammar is wrong? What people think about my English? And because of these thoughts, I lost my confidence. And even sometimes I avoid to speak. I think many people face this problem. We spend years learning English in school, but we don't practice speaking regularly. So when real situations come, like talking in meeting or speaking with clients, we feel nervous. Not because we don't know English, but because we are not used to speaking regularly. But recently I realized something very important. English is not just a subject, it's a skill. And any skill, whether it's speaking, driving, or playing sports, improves only with practice. So I decided to change my approach. Instead of just thinking about learning English, I started to practice speaking every day. Even I speak wrong, I still speak. Even I feel nervous, I still try. Sometimes I talk to myself. Sometimes I record my voice. Sometimes I just speak whatever comes in my mind. And slowly I am understanding one thing. Practice is more important than perfection. You don't need perfect English to start speaking. You just need a courage to try. If you are also struggling like me, please don't wait to become perfect because perfections will come later. Start speaking today. Start small. I have a small challenge for you. For the next 7 days, speak English for just 5 minutes daily. That's it. You can speak in front of the mirror, you can record yourself, or you can talk to yourself. But don't skip. I'm also learning just like you. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to improve every single day. I will keep sharing my journey with all of you. So if you are on the same journey, let's improve together. Please do subscribe my channel and let's become a confident English speaker step by step. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you.